From the KATC Weatherland, here's Rob's forecast.
Welcome back. Well, back into the heat today. Got up to about 93 for a high. Showers and storms across the area, but not many in Acadiana, but we do have activity moving in. The story, it continues to be this disturbance out in the Gulf of Mexico. And if you look closely, it looks like we have this broad area of low pressure just south of Cameron by a couple of 100 miles. Most of the heavy storms offshore, back across Texas, but eventually this feature is going to move toward Texas and will eventually help draw more moisture into the area and give us better coverage of showers and thunderstorms. This is how the upper level pattern looks with that upper level low and a little bit of an inverted trough aloft, and you can see how that's been enhancing storms. Mainly Florida, Panhandle, eastern Louisiana, offshore, and then back across Texas. And eventually we'll get our chance, but we've missed out on it for the last couple of days. We certainly could use the rain. There's the showers as we take a look at the regional Doppler radars, and then we come in, take a look at the sweeps. Got some pretty hefty storms over eastern Louisiana down toward Terrebonne Parish, but mostly in Acadiana we have scattered shower activity. Might be a rumble of thunder, but it's more short-lived activity. Heaviest of which is down just south of Morgan City and a couple of other stronger cells, Baton Rouge, over towards, say, Gonzales, and then north of the Baton Rouge area. And locally here in Acadiana, we'll zoom in a couple of spotty showers in around Crowley. Nice little downpour here by Esterwood, and then a few more showers as we get into southeastern portions of St. Landry, Evangeline Parish, and then into St. Landry Parish, right along Highway 190 here. That'll be impacting perhaps the Opelousas area, Port Barre, maybe Washington as well. And a few showers moving through Lafayette. And there'll be a couple of more hours where we have some rain chances, so don't be surprised if you see that tropical downpour as we head into the evening hours. Maybe setting up for a pretty tropical sunset this evening. So we do have this weak surface low out here in the Gulf of Mexico. Hurricane Center continues to watch it, now upping the odds to about a 40% chance that it could become a tropical depression prior to landfall. And we think that's going to happen on Thursday, but it's mainly going to be a rainmaker primarily for Texas. They're already seeing some pretty hefty storms, and this feature is going to be dancing around for a while. We'll show you that as well. As we get into the Atlantic basin, we got a couple of tropical waves, one off the African coast, this one here looking a little less organized today, and potential tropical cyclone number 2. We'll get to that in just a bit. 20% chance of this system eventually developing. This tropical wave may catch up to it, so low end chances. We'll just keep an eye on that. Meanwhile, potential tropical cyclone number 2 awfully close to South America here, and it may be interacting with land the next couple of days, so a limited opportunity for it to become a bona fide tropical storm. And if it becomes a tropical storm, the name will be Bonnie as it heads toward, it looks like, Central America by Friday. Could still become a hurricane, but we'll see how this feature interacts with land very close to Venezuela and coastal South America. So here we have our disturbance. You can see the moisture with it moving northward as we get into the weekend. Could enhance our rain chances anytime through the weekend. And then after moving north and east, it drops back to the south and southwest. So it may be another week before we see our enhanced rain chances from this system. But bottom line, we got to go 40, 50%, or maybe even 60% on your rain chances as we head into the weekend. That's what we see on the graph model here. Quiet this evening. Most of the showers and storms offshore overnight tonight, but then tomorrow a scattering of activity into the afternoon, and it looks like we'll finally see a little bit more action across the area tomorrow during the day and also Thursday during the day, while we watch the threat of some heavy rainfall across southeast Texas, where there could be some localized flooding even through the Houston area as we round out the week. Heaviest rains, this is 10 days worth of rain here. It's mainly west, north and east of us, kind of following the path of that disturbance as it rolls around. But we are going to catch a couple of inches of rain eventually. May come on 1 or 2 days, but we got to go with the rain chances that we have. Mid-70s tonight, upper 80s, lower 90s tomorrow, and that's reflected in the forecast. The risk of an early evening shower or storm, 20% after it gets dark tonight. Should be just see some lingering clouds. Then for tomorrow, mostly cloudy day, not quite as hot as today. Model going for about 90 for a high. We saw no no reason to go against that. But at least we'll see scattered showers and some thunder showers in the afternoon, especially around 3 to 5 or maybe even 6 o'clock in the evening. So at least we should see better rain chances and some much needed rainfall. We're in the 50-50 category. Not everybody's going to see the rain every day, but you get 50% for 3 days in a row. 2 out of those 3 days you should get rain, or 2 out of the 4 days rather you should get rain. And then as we head into the weekend, I'm toning down the rain chances, bringing up the heat a little bit, but the risk of afternoon showers and storms to stay with us well into July. Very typical forecast for this time of year.
How'd your backyard do? Any rain?
No, not enough.
Still not.
Just a tease last night at 3
Just
in
give
the
it a
morning,
day.
but
50%.
no, it shamed me into water. I have to water Sunday, and I'll water again to make sure it storms
Don't
tomorrow.
violate
There
that
you go.
ordinance, Rob.
Yeah, I gotta
Beyond
go.
it.
Wait a minute. I'm on the even day. Okay,
That's
let me
right.
figure
We'll
this
check
out.
for you. Don't
Okay.
worry. I'll let you know.
Okay.
Stay with us, everybody.